Together, ma'am, another formation, column. First formation of limestone is stalactite, and second formation is stalagmite, and third formation column. The limestone, ma'am, sir, still growing up, 0.2 millimeter a year. Kaya katagalan po, ma'am, mag-meet sila, ma'am. Maliban po doon sa sinabi ko na 12 noon, hindi pumapasok, ma'am, kasi break time. Meron din po, lalo na pagbagyo. Merong malalakas na pagulan sa labas, bumabaha dito sa loob ng cave, ma'am. Hindi kami pumapasok kung hindi napakalakas ng current. Up to 1.5 kilometers, ma'am, rotonda. Turning point, up to 1.5 kilometers, rotonda. If you go further, or secure special permit, so very far. 3 to 3.5 hours at travel time. Kaya lahat po ng bisita namin is 1.5 kilometers lang po, Hindi namin po ma-accommodate yung aming mga bisita kung dadalhin namin sila, ma'am, doon sa 4.2 ang layo. Straight light, ma'am, higher. Left more, left. Left, ma'am. Right again. Bird formation, at diving formation. Like a vulture, egret, or peking duck. Down again, sir. Ma'am, down. Right again, higher. Higher, straight. Left more. More left, higher. Higher more. Chicken joy. Or chicken legs, formation. Down, chicken wings. Ayan, nasa Jollibee na tayo. Hello. Good night. Right down, ma'am. Right down. More down. Right more. 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 Yes, consider, ma'am, sir, the continuation of the river, and that allow the visitors now 1.5 kilometers, ma'am. If you go further, to 4.3 kilometers, ma'am, or secure special permit, so very far, ma'am, 3 to 3.5 hours at travel time. Kaya lahat ng bisita namin, ma'am, hanggang dito lang po, maliban sa mga kumukuha ng special permit, ma'am. Kasi hindi nga po namin ma-accommodate yung aming mga bisita during peak season. During peak season, ma'am, sir, the visitors here, ma'am, 100 to 500 a day or 700 plus a day.